my sweetie. Oh, we just found this little kitty of Martha's outside. Hunted him down, actually. Much healthier than the last baby kitty. That little kitty died this morning, and then we found this one. And he seems to be thriving. Oh my goodness, honey. Are you gonna be okay? He's licking claw. Hey, baby. Hey, you little thing. Well, you're just a little tot. Do your little claws like my arm. You've already gouged me. Oh, little baby cat. He's like, I don't know anything. Oh. Yeah. We love this homemade formula. Before we lose the recipe, it's 1 cup of whole milk, 2 egg yolks, and a tablespoon of honey. Just mix it up in a canning jar, and that's a perfect supplement for a newborn cat. You can't have too much more. Yeah. Oh, it's like if you had my mother, you know what it was like not to eat. You got one mean mother, cat. Look at him go. Looks like he ain't ate all day. Maybe she's just sick of feeding them. That could be why they're surfacing. You know, because she's not feeding them now.
Yeah, we're gonna end up with like 20 more baby kittens.
Oh, good. Here you go. That's what we need. Look at that little thing. Jug. Well, what are we supposed to do? Now take this one and test it for feline leukemia? And is that what we're supposed to do with all these cats now? Right? I wish we could have got her spayed. That would have been nice. She's so mean, I don't know if anybody could get their hands on her. Ooh, she's nasty.
No, she wouldn't go to the veterinarian.
They'd probably have to tranquilize her because she's so mean.
You and your little black nose.
I wish we had found that other one yesterday, you know.
These milky things don't last forever. Your whiskers are so beautiful.